Cellular respiration is a fundamental biological process that provides the energy necessary for the survival and functioning of all living organisms. Through cellular respiration, cells convert nutrients into adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of the cell. This process is crucial for maintaining cellular functions, growth, and overall organismal health. Cellular respiration occurs in three main stages: glycolysis, the Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle, and the electron transport chain. Each stage plays a specific role in breaking down glucose and other molecules to produce ATP. The first stage of cellular respiration takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. During glycolysis, one molecule of glucose, a 6-carbon sugar, is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, a 3-carbon compound. This process yields a small amount of ATP and electron carriers in the form of NADH. Glycolysis does not require oxygen and can occur under both aerobic and anaerobic conditions. The second stage occurs in the mitochondria. Each pyruvate produced in glycolysis is converted into acetyl-CoA, which enters the Krebs cycle. In this cycle, acetyl-CoA is further broken down, releasing carbon dioxide and transferring high-energy electrons to carrier molecules NADH and FADH2. The Krebs cycle produces additional ATP and provides essential intermediates for various biosynthetic processes. The final stage of cellular respiration takes place in the inner mitochondrial membrane. Electrons from NADH and FADH2 are transferred through a series of protein complexes in the electron transport chain. This transfer of electrons generates a flow of protons, H+ ions, across the membrane, creating an electrochemical gradient. The energy from this gradient is used by ATP synthase to produce ATP. Oxygen acts as the final electron acceptor, combining with electrons and protons to form water as a byproduct. Cellular respiration can be categorized into aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen and produces a large amount of ATP, while anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxygen and results in less ATP production. In anaerobic conditions, cells may perform fermentation to generate ATP, producing byproducts such as lactic acid in muscles or ethanol and carbon dioxide in yeast. The efficiency of cellular respiration is critical for the energy balance of cells and organisms. Disruptions or inefficiencies in this process can lead to various metabolic disorders and impact overall health. For example, mitochondrial diseases can affect the mitochondria's ability to produce ATP, leading to conditions like muscle weakness and neurodegenerative disorders. In summary, cellular respiration is a vital biochemical process that converts nutrients into ATP, powering cellular activities and sustaining life. Its stages, glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain, work together to ensure efficient energy production and maintain cellular health.